Ever wondered why a proper warm-up is so crucial before you dive into your workout routine? Warm-ups are often seen as just the appetizer to the main course of a workout. But what if they play a more vital role? Stay tuned to find out why warm-ups are more than just a pre-workout ritual. Warm-ups, a science-backed approach to prepare your body for the workout. You see, warming up does three critical things. First, it increases your body temperature, making your muscles more flexible. Second, it improves blood flow, ensuring your muscles get the oxygen they need to perform. Lastly, it significantly reduces the risk of injury by preparing your muscles and joints for the physical stress ahead. So, don't underestimate the power of a good warm-up. Indeed, warm-ups are the unsung heroes of a successful workout. Get ready to learn about some effective warm-up exercises. Let's start with arm circles. Stand tall, extend your arms out to your sides and slowly make circles. This exercise improves shoulder mobility and warms up your arm muscles. Next we have leg swings. Stand straight, hold on to something for balance and swing one leg back and forth. Leg swings are great for improving hip mobility and warming up your leg muscles. Finally, let's do some torso twists. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, extend your arms out, and twist your torso from side to side. This exercise warms up your core and helps improve your spine's flexibility. Remember, the key to effective warm-ups lies in performing each exercise correctly. So, why should you never skip your warm-up? It's simple. Warm-ups prime your body for the rigorous demands of a workout. They increase body temperature, heart rate, and blood flow to your muscles. They also improve flexibility and mobility, setting the stage for optimal performance. Plus, they significantly reduce your risk of injury. A well-executed warm-up is a small investment with big returns. Next time you work out, make sure to honor your warm-up routine. Your body will thank you.